Hey, what's up? This is Brad. I'm back again. My computer actually crashed on me, so we'll add the other part in to this video. So continuing on with the unboxing, can unbox the USB dock connector to USB cable, and we'll open this up. There's the iPhone in the dock there. It's pretty cool. And I'll turn it around. There's the back of it there. It's pretty cool. And yeah, let's get into this and get this done. So here is the packaging here. Not much of the package, but open this up. And there it is, the USB connector, whatever you want to call it, cable. There it is there. I had to get a new one because this one was completely fucked. So yeah, so just be aware of that. That can happen sometimes. You just come get it's really old and stuff, and yeah, I don't know what does it, but yeah. So that's why I have to replace this one. And the reason why I got the dock connector, because the X stand on these little rubber things here, in time it rubs off on the corners of the iPhone here. So just be aware of that. If anyone buys the X stand and you use this a lot, and on the corners here wears and tears, so just be aware of that. I'm not sure how I can clean that, but if anyone can tell me, let me know. But yeah, that's about it. This has been the unboxing of my two products here: the iPhone 3G dock and the Apple dock connector to USB cable. Thanks. Make sure you rate, subscribe, and leave some comments. So. Stop recording, for fuck's sake. Hey, what's up? It's Brad. I'm back again. I have to record a second part of this video because the first part actually crashed on me. I can't actually put into the other video, so just recording a second video. The iPhone dock 3G, the iPhone 3G dock. There it is there. That's the box there it came in. That's the instruction manual there for it. That's some sort of, what is that? Some sort of warranty guide thing there with it. And here is the dock itself on the back there. That's the back of it. Side, that's the front. And stay tuned for more. Thanks.